All right, just going to do a quick trade recap on my trade this morning on NQ. For my pre-market session, as I was saying on the last one, I trade this range. So I like this for a short as it was curling over. So failure to expand out of the range into the short just there. Usual setup. Stop at entry within 5 points, break even on that first one. And then as we got this 3 bar surge up, it was quite obvious the momentum was continuing to the upside. So I put a long in there and took that at 30 points as most of the time just take the 30 points pre-market and don't try and keep a runner. And I was go away for the charts, reset, and then come back for the London Open. London Open give us this. Um, and push down, made a low, put back up above the range. So since we got straight back above the range, I'm thinking that's going to be a long bias. So then I'll look at my S&P hourly and then see where we're at. So we were forming this candle on this push down. So what I'm thinking is that push down is going to form the wick before an expansion up. And that's what we got there. So this price action here and here is the wick on the S&P. So once we kind of swept back towards that low and we started kind of making an obvious turnaround at that point of interest, I entered long where worked straight away. Within 10 points at the London Open, I have my stop at entry. And because we've got these targets above, I closed half at my 30 points, and then I'm still in it now. So we're just going to see where this goes. Ultimately, I think we'll try and get up here because the weekend open, if you can see, we gap down. So there's a big area of imbalance here. So we might test that. I think this week's going to be volatile anyway with everything that's going on. So overall, I'm bearish and thinking price is going to go down for at least the first half of this year. But we still got to take the longs when they present. So we'll see what happens. The remainder of my stop is in a little bit of profit. It's below the London opening range. Yeah, so just below this candle. So that's kind of profit locked for the day anyway. And so I'll just kind of relax and see where that takes us. I'll be keeping an eye on because I want to see how it reacts around this 50% retracement. Because it could turn around there, as in big move down, 50% retracement back up, and then it might continue down from there. But it is Monday. There's no news. So what I often see is no news on Mondays develops into these big trend days. So I would not be surprised if we go all the way up and just fill the gap. And then tomorrow is a new day, and we'll see what price wants to do then. But yeah, that was my trade for today. I just thought I'd jump back on at the end of this video. So I left the charts just after I ended that last clip. And when I've come back up, I seen we had like a further big impulsive move up. Pushed through that 50% that I was watching through the 618. So I think we will likely go and test this area, but I closed the rest of the trade out here because that was 100 points. With the earlier win this morning, a full 3R, and then I closed half at 3R there and the other half at 10R. So total for the day is 9.5R that I've earned today. So that's massive. There's no need to hold anything, no need to be in the market when you get, you get your runners like that, you take them and then you move away and reset for another day. And then I'm not thinking about the charts, I'm not thinking about the market. So yeah, very good day. Let's see what tomorrow brings.